In 1950, in the primitive forests of the South Pacific, a tribe calling themselves the Frey people once fell victim to the curse's visitation. In this tribe, most people suffered from a strange illness, where patients would involuntarily convulse. In the advanced stages, their brains seemed to be consumed, losing almost all memories, and they would eventually die in madness. The Frey people called the disease as Kuru, which means trembling with fear. Upon its discovery, Kuru disease immediately attracted widespread attention, because despite the efforts of numerous medical professionals, they could not find its cause. Until a medical scientist named Gage Jusek uncovered the tribe's deepest secret. Accidentally, Gage Jusek discovered that the Frey people were actually engaging in the practice of cannibalism. As a respected guest, he was also given a portion of a brain to eat. It was this piece of brain that allowed him to uncover the true face of the Kuru tribe, the Prion. What is Prion? Prion functions like virus, but it is not a virus at all, because it lacks the essential nucleotide molecules. Despite lacking nucleotide, prions can still replicate themselves, and what's even more terrifying is that they exhibit almost absolute resistance against ultraviolet light, electromagnetic radiation, high temperatures, various biochemical agents, and even human gastric acid and proteases cannot break down their structure. They can be described as truly indestructible. What exactly is a prion? It can be considered a somewhat peculiar type of protein. Or rather, a protein that has encountered a bug. This abnormal protein is a result of erroneous evolution. Typically, it does not affect other individuals without abnormal proteins. However, cannibalism within the same species opens the transmission channel for the prion. And this is not limited to humans only. In 1985, in a remote village in the UK, dairy cows also exhibited symptoms similar to Kuru disease. Lethargic and weak, the affected cattle showed no interest in the fodder. Unable to maintain their standing posture, they even foamed at the mouth, and trembled until their eventual demise. Some diseased cows also exhibited aggressive and frenzied behavior. After dissecting the bodies of the affected cows, researchers discovered that their brains exhibited extensive cavities in the brain cell tissues. And there was an increase in the proliferation of glial cells, resembling a spongy appearance. The culprit behind all of this was still the prion. Some people wonder why cows, being herbivores, can still get infected by prion diseases. After detailed investigations into mad cow disease, it was found that the farmers, in order to increase milk production in cows, added a portion of protein feed, made from ground-up cattle organs. This led to the consequences of cannibalism among the same species. I must also mention that prion diseases have another mode of transmission, using mad cow disease as an example. If we inadvertently consume infected beef, there is a chance that prions may transfer into our bodies. Therefore, regardless of what we eat, it is essential to ensure safety before consumption. Additionally, it is crucial to refrain from consuming various forms of wild animals.